Boy, happy birthday.
Yes, ayan. Thank you so much, everyone. Ingat po tayo pag-uwi. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Yes, at syempre muli, pasalamatan din natin ang ating mga nakasama. Thank you so much for the organizer for inviting us again for the 5th time sa ating concert.
Hoy, teka, kasama tayo sa production team.
Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Direk Danica Doma.
And also,
of course, our technical director,
yes,
Harold Morota.
yes, and of course, thank you so much, Mr. Erwin Ace Navarrete. Maraming salamat sa
Our angels, Russell and Aya. Thank you.
And of course, the people behind our technical committee, ang ating tech food, maraming salamat. Our IT office, maraming salamat. CIO, Ella, and the rest of the gangsters sa CIO, maraming salamat. Ecstatic, maraming salamat.
Thank you. Our Lord Director, maraming salamat. Kevin Regalado. Sana okay ka lang, no?
Kevin! Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone.
To our PNPs, to our bouncers nandito, kuya, maraming salamat po sa lahat sa ating sentro na maglilinis. Paalala lamang po sa ating mga kasamang Imosenyo, ang inyong mga kalat po ay pakitapon po sa mga tamang basurahan para po mas maayos po natin mag-iwan ang ating venue.
Calling all the production team, let's take a picture here on stage. Thank you, guys.